Well, these wheels are definitely too wide. God dang. The offset is just wrong, man. 40. 4 inches, or no, 3.5 inches. Yeah, so it's about 3.5 inches too wide. Damn. Measure from up here, though. About 3 inches. 3 inches. I got a video. 3 inches too wide. Alright, let's see. Definitely gotta replace the brakes, but I did install these new adjustable traction arms. And you can see the D2 coilovers looking nice. And then these these are true hard, control arms. You can adjust camber on them. They're adjustable. But yeah. Next up, brakes. Let's see. Don't have a fender well, but I don't really see any, like, these cars are notorious for having rusting issues, but I'm sure there's rust underneath there, I guess, you know, but
so this
mainly surface rust. What's up, Bowie?
Hey, man.
Yo, can you sound cool in my vlog, please? What's up, bro?
Like, what's up, everybody?
Yeah, like, hi!
This is Bowie. I'm a Team RPM member.
It's like, man, we're Team RPM, bro. I can't have you be like, hi, guys. Hey, man, what's going, buddy? Wow. Pulling up.
And today,
pulling up
we're
to
gonna visit
Exotics.
Just make sure I don't run into the wall.
Dang. Alright, let's do it again. Can I just park there? I guess.
What up, yo?
Yo.
G
money.
Around there. R34. I heard that. I seen it. What's up? You somebody hold your dick? Yeah. All right, well, knock it out then.
Where are they going? Oh. Holy shit.
Is it still his car? Yep. Didn't you drive it down? I took it to Cars and Coffee this past weekend because Kenny had work. Yeah. It was funny, dude. As soon as I got out of the car and popped the hood and went to lift it up, when I came around the door, I was like, damn, but I seen somebody with a video camera walking up. And I was like, that was, who's that? Sean. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So he come walking up. And I mean, I just raised the hood up, put the prop under it. I think I saw the video. I said, man, I know he's gonna walk up to me. He's like, what's your name? I said, George. He said, tell me a little bit about the car. What years? I said, I'll be honest with you, bro. This ain't my shit. My boy Kenny. I said he had to work today. Works at Discount Tire. Shout out Discount. He's like, shout out Discount Tire.
The cop said that he's surprised I survived that.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh, don't video this thing.
I gotta, it's just for my blog. Hell yeah, it's got Neo as well? What? No, wait.
Nah,
it's just RB25?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
It kind of pissed me off because I ordered a brand new OEM harness.
Yeah.
From, I can't remember what website, but
Chase Base?
It was an OEM harness for it, and it came in as one of the aftermarket ones, and I'm like, man, I got a damn account with them. I could have ordered that bitch straight from them.
Dang.
But I waited damn.
Let's check out John's car. See what he's got. RB25. Axle intake. Same wheels as Bowie's. Dang, hella low. There's also
4 or 5 weeks to get that son of a bitch in.
Man, I appreciate you helping me out with my wheels. Actually, ride much better. They got better food.
Oh yeah, I put a lot out.
jeez.
We put a lot.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
Yo, holy cow, this is gonna be so dope, man.
454 setup.
Yeah.
That pisses everybody off because we cut a metal.
that's an S13.
Yeah, that's a legit JDM hood too, and we fucked it up, cutting a hole in it. But
Oh.
Hey,
everybody's
man.
like, why didn't you get a fiber glass hood and cut it? Why did you go metal?
Oh, yeah.
Cuz.
Perfect. It had no dents or nothing in it.
Whose car's that?
Jason.
Yours?
No, Mikey's brother. Which one? Mike?
Damn.
Man, that's gonna make so legit. Yeah, that was gonna be alright.
It's a good looking kit too.
What's why I think that? First gen, widebody, Gen 1.
Oh yeah.
Is he gonna cage you too?
Oh yeah.
Dude, I want to see people. I want to see people mold the rocket bunny in to the body like how I did on the Mercedes. You know,
Oh yeah.
no rivets.
Nobody gonna do that no more.
Yeah. Look at this. Holy cow. This is sick. I don't know whose car this is. Yeah, it's clean. Man, I like the intercooler on this thing. That's cool. Acabona brakes. R32 GTR. That is a clean R32. Oh, wow. Whose GTR is this? Whose GTR is this?
It's a lot dealership.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Going down in Durham.
Oh, nice. That's going towards my borough. It's clean.
Can't be yours for $54,000.
The Speedway.
Nobi is coming back.
That's what I heard.
Yeah. Well, I mean, another guy just got sand. So whatever.
Damn, look how wide this is gonna be.
So he's gonna try to open
Hell yeah. Super clean T40. Whew.
The last time
Yeah.
we went to the Novi show. Ooh, wow, buddy. I couldn't even walk.
Look at this, baby. God dang. I love that spoiler. Gotta get it on this fence. When'd you get this?
3 years ago.
Yeah.
It looks like it.
Nope.
It was white.
Oh, I love these wheels. Yeah.
I thought you had seen it.
No, I have. We were at the Japan,
Oh, you seen the stereo?
Japan Auto Legend show. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. God dang. Every time I see this, I love this thing. Took me a second to remember until I saw that there's carbon fiber spoiler, and I was like, "Oh yeah, I've seen this
Have you
one."
seen the back of the seats? Or carbon. The back seat matches the front seats. I had that done. And the back of the back seat's carbon too.
Yeah, I remember seeing this at a show. I vlogged this on my last vlog. Yeah.
And that hidden underneath there.
Dude.
So see, the back of the seat, we made that carbon too. And all this is press fit.
Yeah.
So it don't.
No, this is a good idea. Protect it when
Yeah.
you're not showing, you know?
I have seats and
Yeah.
chairs and shit in there. So don't scratch up
Oh
the.
man, these tail lights are sick. God dang.
They light up the factory color, so you got clear, red, amber.
That's perfect. God, I remember when Angel Eyes became so popular. Yeah, I love this car.
A lot of the parts I got in this car came off my Mark III.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got 2 Mark IIIs there in the back. The 2 that are covered up in tarps in the back, those are mine.